Hello. In this video we're going to have a look at how we can create Mailshot's newsletters in our site. So you'll first of all need to have set up in the right here with your dashboards the newsletter sign up so your users can register for Mailshot's newsletters. If you click Manage Subscriptions, it takes you to this page where all of the different groups are listed. They can add themselves to specific ones or all of them. Likewise, they can remove themselves from all of them or individual ones. The groups are configured in the admin panel under e-marketing here. Click on here, select groups, new group, add a new group in here, and then make sure you set the checkbox to expose it externally. You can create other lists that you may not want to expose, in which case leave that unchecked. When you're creating so we want a new newsletter. This video will cover more of a free format newsletter rather than a strict templated approach, although it does use a template. So if we click new, I'll switch over here. I click new and enter the title of the newsletter. I click news and click save. So we've got a basic newsletter structure. Now we need an article template. So in this list here, scroll down to the newsletter templates on the left column, and choose number 2. Number 2 gives us two sections, a header section 1, and section 2 is for content, which will be our free format text. Actually, they're all the newsletters that use the same pattern. They're all actually the same template, but just with additional sections. So number 6 has got 6 sections, number 7 has got 7 sections. So we've chosen newsletter 2, it's got 2 sections, and save that. And go to section 1, give it a title, Cycling News. We can ignore the other boxes. Content 1 in this template is we've got a graphic at the top of the newsletters, which is a number, or it's a circle that has a number in it, so we can put in the number of the newsletter it is. So we'll put number 9 because it's September, month 9. Go down to section 2. Ignore all of these sections. All we're interested in is the content section. Click to edit as HTML, and you put in here the free format text you want. If you start off with a name tag in square brackets, that will resolve to the recipient at runtime when the Mailshot is generated and sent. If I just copy in some text I've got here, put in an image, one of these images here, more text, another image, then finish off the newsletter. If you wanted to include links to your products in the shop, you can do that. If we go back to the shop, choose one of your products, go to details. Then when you're logged in, you get the edit button, click on the edit. There's a link here, an anchor link. Now we don't want the whole anchor link, we'll just take the address, switch back over. So type here, click here, fine now. Highlight that, create a link, paste that in, okay, that. And then finally, importantly, it's not save here, it's save on the blue button here, the big one. And you can go round again and edit as many times as you like, change that as you see fit. So save that. Actually, there's one final thing to do. We go down to section 9. Section 9 is the last section. In here, we want to put in a footer, just offering them the option to unsubscribe. So in the link to content type, we'll choose custom, and in there we'll put mailing list. And then finally, in the inner text, link 9 inner text, just put manage subscriptions, repeat that in there, then save again. Now go back to the top and return to the Mailshot item. It's already saved, so cancel. And now cancel out of here. We want to ensure that the mail server is started, so we'll click on that. Is it started? It is. It's the mail server is running. We can stop it and start it. So now that is started. Go back to your mail shots, and what we want to do is, okay, we check the recipients. So we hadn't shown you that. So under here is the recipient group that's been selected for this mail shot, and everybody in that group. There's only one person, and that's me. You can add in people from this. So this is a list of everybody, all the contacts you've got on your site. So we'll just say add in those. I'm not going to do that actually because I'm going to send it and I don't want to send it to them. So I'll just remove them, remove selected. Remove myself. So I'll put myself back in, which is here, and selected. Okay, and go back to mail shots. So organize. So use this screen here to add the people in the group and configure that as you need. And when that's done, the last thing to do is to run it. So hit status in the status column, hit the run button. And now we just need to wait for it to appear in our inbox. Whilst we're waiting, it's worth me showing you that you can actually look at the tracking here to see if it's being sent yet. So under the tracking button, which I just pressed, you get this screen. You can filter by date, choose and Mailshot. If we filter by cycling news, you can see it's been queued and prepared, successfully queued. Okay, so it's been sent. Actually, that's been sent. We've got further proof of it being sent by, we go back to home page, go to the shop, select Workspace Manager. Here you've got scheduled messages. Click on that. We can see that this was sent 17:56:57. So it has been sent. We're not going mad. Close that. Go back to the admin panel. And let's see if it's arrived. And there it is. It's in our inbox. There we go. Cycling news number 9. The name's been resolved. Text. Our main image. Smaller image. Click here to buy now. manage subscriptions. There we go. So thank you very much.